Run away from anybody promising to sell to you drugs or chemical that will boost the growth of your catfish overnight. Okay, run, oh, run. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still me, your favorite farm girl, Oni Udoyi. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Oni Udoyi. In here, I talk about animal farming, pig and fish especially. I also drop helpful tips on how to succeed in the business, also how to make money, and everything you need to know, important things you need to know about this business. So if this is the kind of content you love to watch, please don't hesitate to like this video, subscribe, and share to your family and friends. Okay, and also don't forget to watch my previous videos on fish farming if it's pig farming. Okay, anyone at all you like, don't forget to watch my previous video on it. So without wasting much of your time, I would like us to go right into today's topic. Okay, today I'll be talking about strategy on how to grow your catfish faster. Everything. I'm not going to be hiding anything. Every damn thing you need to know about catfish growth and how to grow your catfish faster. Okay, so first thing you need to know is that catfish growth doesn't happen overnight. Run away from anybody promising to sell to you drugs or chemical that will boost the growth of your catfish overnight. Okay, run, no, run. Catfish growth is a gradual process, but there are things that you can do to make it happen faster, and there are things that you should avoid so that it doesn't slow the growth of your catfish. Okay, so if you watch this video to the end, you're going to hear all of that. Make sure not to skip at any point. Watch this video to the end. There are some little things you need to know that could help you, make your catfish grow faster, and there are also some things that could hinder the growth of your catfish. Okay, so first thing, if you want your catfish to grow faster, first thing you need to avoid, or first thing you need to take notice, avoid overstocking. Avoid overstocking, or you can also say avoid overcrowding. Overcrowding or overstocking, it slows the growth of your fishes. So overstocking your fishes makes your fishes not to grow faster. Okay, so before you start up a fish farm, make sure you have a proper knowledge of stocking density. Like, know the particular number of fishes that could fit into a particular size of pond. If you don't know your stocking density, ask questions. Ask questions so you can know the particular number of fishes that could fit into a particular size of fish pond. Okay, so avoid overstocking your fishes. For example, you don't put in 4,000 or 10,000 fingerlings or fishes into a 12 by 12 pond and say you will leave them there till maturity. That is not good at all. Firstly, a 12 by 12 tarpaulin pond can contain 3,000 or 4,000 fingerlings comfortably, but that doesn't mean you will leave them there till maturity. You won't leave them there till maturity. You have to sort it, and while sorting it, you would separate them till it fits into that pond, till you get the accurate number that's going to be inside that pond. Okay, so don't overstock your fishes. Overstocking could lead to a whole lot of things. Overstocking could affect the growth of your fishes, affect their profitability and their water quality. Okay, so overstocking your fishes doesn't mean you are producing well. So please take note of stocking density. Take note of your stocking density. So when you overstock your fishes, they compete for space, they compete for food, and they compete for oxygen. Okay, imagine all the energy that is used in competing for all these things. Imagine if that energy is being put into their growth. So overstocking is not good. Overstocking also leads you to changing their water often. You have need to be changing their water often because their water gets dirty almost like every time, and this is not good. This could cause stress for your fishes and in turn leads to their death. So please don't overstock your fishes. Okay, and also avoid understocking. Avoid understocking because you're not going to be able to maximize the whole space of the pond, and that's not good at all. So don't use because I say you should not overstock your fishes and understock your fishes. Take note of your stocking density. Ask questions to know the particular number of fishes that could fit into the in a particular size of pond. Ask question. So the second one is water quality. Okay, so you need to be sure that you have a very good water, okay, because water quality plays a huge role in the growth of your catfish. That you're looking at your water and it looks clean doesn't mean that it's okay for your catfish. Okay, it plays a huge role on the growth of your catfish. So you need to test for the pH level of your water with a pH tester, or you can also use a liquid test kit dropping. Okay, I have a video on that, as I'm going to be dropping it on the screen, so you click and watch. Okay, so if the pH level of your water is anything from 6.5 to 7.5, even 8.0 is okay, because some fishes thrive in a water pH level of 8.0. Okay, so it's fine. Anything below this and above this is not really good for, in fact it's not good for your fishes. It will make you always have fish mortality in your farm. Okay, so please make sure you have all these gadgets to test for your pH level, and make sure you take note of your water quality. It is really important. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to test for your water.
So let us test for the pH level of the water inside this pond. Okay, this is a pH test and this is how it looks. There's different types of pH testers, so whichever one you buy. So this is just how to test for it. So this particular pH tester, once it's inside the water, it takes the reading. When it takes the reading, if you bring it out of this pond, it will go off almost like immediately. So while you're taking the reading, just watch it and know when it has stopped reading. Take the reading before you bring it out of the water. It's not like that for every other pH tester. Okay, it's not like that. So as you can see, it's done reading. Okay, so once you bring it out of the water, you clean it with rainwater. Okay, so I'm not going to say much on how to care for your pH tester. Just go and watch the video on the screen or in my bio. It's also in my channel. Watch the video on how to test the pH level of your water, okay, and everything you need to know. So I just wanted to show you how to test for your water pH.
So the next point is changing water. So make sure to change your water when necessary, because if the water in the fish pond is dirty, the activities of the fishes will reduce, and at that point they will start finding it difficult to breathe. They would start finding it difficult to breathe and to do a whole lot of things. That's when you come to your pond, all the fishes in the water will start standing erect and gasping for air, looking for oxygen, because the water is really dirty, and if care is not taken, they will start dying, they will start dropping. So know when to change your water. There are times you change your water, because if you change your water too much, it will cause stress for the fishes and they will start dying. They will start dropping. Okay, I have a video on how to change the water in a catfish pond, so please watch the video. The fourth one is quality of feed. Okay, so be sure to get good fish feed, good quality fish feed. If you know that you want your fishes to grow faster, and if you know that you want your fishes to be healthy, make sure to get good quality feed. Go and source for the best of the best. Source for good quality feed. Or as well, you can, if you say you don't want to buy from the market, you can as well produce your own fish feed, formulate your own fish feed, produce it and give it to your fishes. It will even help you save money. So I don't want to overemphasize on quality of feed. Make sure that you buy the best quality of feed and avoid bad feed. Okay, avoid bad feed. When you see that a particular fish feed is spoiled, don't still give it to your fishes because you know that they eat anything. Please avoid it. When you know that it's really bad, just avoid it. Don't give it to them. I'm also going to make a video on the mistakes in catfish farming, and I'm going to make a video on that very soon, so that you know what to avoid. Okay, so avoid them. Okay, if you want your fishes to grow faster, buy good feed. buy good feed, or rather, or better still, just formulate. So if you've watched this video to this point, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share this video. Give me a thumbs up on this video. If you have any question for me, drop it in the comment section. I will reply. If you have anything to tell me, drop it in the comment section. I will reply. Okay. And also, if you need my services on anything at all, pig farming, fish farming, buying tarpaulin pond, anything at all, just reach out to me on any of my social media platforms. My Facebook page at Real Onyudoye, my Instagram at Onyudoye, or my email. You can drop me an email. Okay. So let's move into the next point. So the next point is good fingerlings. Make sure to get good fingerlings. Make sure you know who you are buying fingerlings from. Know the farm you are buying fingerlings or juvenile from. If you know you're not hatching yourself, get a tested farmer, a tested and trusted farmer, and buy your fingerlings from. Make sure to buy good fingerlings, good juveniles, if you know that you want your catfish to grow faster. This is even number one. This is number one to note. Good fingerlings is like the beginning of the growth of your catfish. If you know you want your catfish to grow faster, you need to first thing first get good fingerlings. Get good fingerlings or good juvenile. Make sure you know the farm that you're getting it from, because some farmers are ready to sell runs to you. That is the youngest of the fishes, of the fingerlings after hatching. They are ready to sell runs to you and they don't care. They just want the money. So make sure you know where you are getting it from, in case you don't know what runs are. So runs are those fishes that you spend your effort and money feeding with good standard practice and good water management, yet they refuse to grow. So those kind of fishes are what you call runs. So these fishes lack essential vitamins, mineral and hormone that makes them grow like other normal fishes or shooters. Okay, so these are what you call runs. And how do you identify them? You will feed them, they will not grow. They don't even feed. The ones that will even feed, they don't even grow. They'll just be there occupying space, wasting your time. So once you see that kind of fishes, when you feed them to a certain level, it's either you smoke them or you sell them off. Okay, just sell them off or you dry them. Okay, so know where you buy your fingerlings, know where you get them from, because this is like the first step. This will really determine if your catfish will grow faster or not. So please be careful.
This is an example of runt fishes. If you've not seen this fish, they were hatched 3 weeks ago. That's almost a month now, and they are still this size. Let me show you very well. In case you're not seeing, look at. They are still this size. So these are the kind of fish you should be careful of, so you don't end up buying. Because some farmers are really wicked that end up buying this kind of fishes.
So the last but not the least is sorting at the right time. Okay, it's not just sorting, but sorting at the right time. Before we talk about that, there's a link on the screen. I showed you how to sort your catfish, so click on that link and watch. Okay, so now sorting at the right time. In fish farming, there's what we call shooters. So those ones have the tendency of growing faster. Okay, and when they do, you need to sort them into different ponds so that they can have space to grow more. When you see them, just sort them out so that they can have space to grow more. So these fishes that do not eat when others are eating usually end up not growing faster. So this kind of fishes, you need to sort them into sizes, into different ponds so that they can pick up. And also to avoid the bigger fishes from swallowing them, because you also in turn be losing money. So you need to sort them as at when due. Imagine if you stock 1,000 fishes and you don't sort them where you need to sort them, and probably you left them to like table size, and you now want to harvest, and you might not even harvest up to 500 to 800 fishes to sell. So you need to be careful. Know when to sort your fishes. If you don't know how to sort your fishes, I dropped the link earlier. Just go to it and click on the link and watch, or scroll down on my channel and watch. Okay, watch so that you know how to sort your fishes, and you also know when to sort your fishes. Okay, so I've come to the end of this video. Please, if you find this video really helpful, just give me a thumbs up, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell for new videos to come. And also, if you want more knowledge on fish farming, just go down to my video. I have a playlist on the basic informations on fish farming. Just go click and watch all the videos so that you can have more knowledge on fish farming, okay? And also don't forget to share my videos to people that also love this kind of content, so they can also learn and they can also watch, okay? So if you have any question for me, just drop it in the comment section. I will be glad to answer you. I'm glad to see your comments. And also, if you have any bad experience on fish farming, like probably people selling one or two things to you and saying, okay, this will make your fishes grow faster, I heard things like this. I've also seen things like this. Please drop it in the comment section so that people can also learn, can also see and learn from it, so that they won't fall a victim and to all those kind of a thing, okay? So please, I hope all this point I've made here, you're going to put it into good practice, you're going to put it into good use, okay? And know that these things doesn't work overnight, okay? It is a gradual process. If you want to make it faster, you follow all the things I've told you in this video, okay? So thank you for watching this video to this point. I'll see you guys in my next video.